What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. And on today's episode, we're taking a deep dive into SUNLU's PLA in, or wood PLA in natural wood, or wood as it's listed on the spool itself. So I got this as a 4-pack. So here's the big box that it came in. One of the things I'm not a huge fan of is when companies put their stickers on the seal. It makes really no point here. And so it just basically makes it a lot more difficult to actually get the box itself open. Just personal preference. But anyway, this one came in a 4-spool, pack, as you can see here. And we're going to get out the the wood one. That's like I said, the name on the spool itself. So again, this is SUNLU's wood PLA in wood. It's a very dumb name. But when looking at it from Amazon, it looks like when you buy this individually, it's called natural wood. So one of the things I'm a fan of is it has nice little tabs that makes things easier to get open. Refillable spools, which is always good to see. So let's go ahead and get this out of the bag there. Would prefer a Mylar bag, but that's just personal preference. I think it's a lot easier for us to protect and everything like that. But as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the filament dryer, and I will see you back here shortly. All right, if you're new here, we always start out by printing a bench sheet in generic settings in the slicer of choice, in this case, generic PLA in Bamboo Studio. Should take a little under an hour, and we'll get that done in all the other test prints. And here they are. So let's go ahead and get take a look at the generic bench sheet. Overall, I'd say pretty good. Very little issues with the quality of the bench sheet itself. Even looking back on that, I couldn't really find any. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This was printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. It looks like there was a little bit of lifting from the build plate, but overall, I'd say pretty good. Next up, we had the the temperature tower. And the best temp for this one, I would say, is 195. That spike had very little globbing and no real stringing on it. So that's also good to see there. But realistically, there's quite a bit of area where like there was, 220, but I recommend 195 just because of the lower temperature and saving on energy cost. Next up, we have the retraction test. Retraction test turned out, fine. No real issues there. Max volumetric speed test. This performed absolutely wonderfully at 20 millimeters cubed per second. So that's always good to also see. Next up, we had the overhang test. Overhang test performed very well. Was some loss of detail on the back of there, as you can see, once you got above 60 degrees, but that's typically where you would enable supports around that time, so just something to be on the lookout for if you choose to work with this filament. Anyway, we got those things dialed in, and we reprinted that bench sheet, which turned out very well. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $22, again, natural wood, for the color. But if you want to buy a 4-pack like I did, you can pick this up along with cherry, walnut, and maple for less than $61. So this is a great color. I think that if you're looking at a matte finish or wood finish that you need, this is very useful. Absolutely beautiful kind of filament. Be sure to print in a hardened nozzle, though, just in case there's any debris or anything like that inside. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things, be kind to each other. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here next time.